All right, here we go. I'll put a steering wheel, woo, and a Challenger. All right, so we got the steering wheel on. Camera got hot, it cut off. I don't know what to tell you, it's hot. So there's the steering wheel off. It didn't tear up nothing. All the switches still there. So now we're gonna move on to the new one. Get back with you in a minute. Alright guys, so the GoPro got hot and quit working, and my ass is hot too. So here is the steering wheel install. Looks pretty good too.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. As you can see, we had a lot of GoPro issues. It would get hot, it'd cut off. I didn't get any much video. I got aggravated and just moved on. Till next time, thanks, and hope to see you watching again.